Hello! Lulu's visiting a farm today. This is Farmer Mia. She keeps the farm safe. Chickens, they lay eggs. Eggs are fragile. Hold gently. Ducks, they love water. A goat. Goats like plants. A sheep. Wool keeps them warm. A cow. Cows make milk. A horse. Horses like to trot. Little pony rides are safe with a helper. Piglets, they snuffle in the mud. Veggies grow here, carrots, tomatoes, and peas. Bees help flowers, they make honey. Apples grow on trees, tasty and crunchy. Worms help soil. Healthy soil helps plants grow. Food scraps become compost, a farm helper. Tools help farmers, always with a grown-up. Fresh food goes to market, veggies and fruit. Baking together, we make a healthy muffin. Yum! Sharing is kind. Sun, rain, or wind. Weather helps the farm grow. Some animals sleep at night. Others wake up. Stay with a grown-up and be gentle with animals. Thanks for visiting. Bye, little farm friends.